Deep in your tangled sheets, your heartbeat pressed right into me. Every late night whisper in the dark sounded honest coming from your heart. I knew your body like a second skin, knew every place you'd pull me in. You wore my chain down on your chest like my name still burned there when you slept. I didn't leave cause I stopped loving you, I left cause every lie started sounding true. Every baby hit a little less, like your heart was somewhere else. Now he's between your thighs, where I used to sleep. Hands on your hips, where they used to be mine. Did you close your eyes? Did you let him in? Did you think of me when he slipped in? You knew exactly where to hurt me most, knew exactly what would break my chest. You didn't just move on that night, you gave him what I loved best. He knew our songs, knew your tattoo. Sat in my kitchen drinking with you. God, I still see the way you laughed, like none of this was built to last. And maybe that's the part that kills, not the sex, not the cheap thrill. It's knowing every touch he gets it used to be mine instead. Your knees on hardwood, head thrown back, that little gasp when your breathing cracked. I knew that side of you by heart, now he's touching it instead. You wanted revenge, you wanted proof that you could still destroy the room. So you picked the one thing in this world you knew I never lived through. Now he's between your thighs, where I used to drown, kissing your neck while you pull him down. Did you say my name? Did you bite your lip? Did you think of me when he slipped in? You knew exactly where to hurt me most, knew exactly what would wreck my head. You didn't just leave me in the dark, you crawled into his bed. Tasting smoke, still hear your voice inside my throat, still see your body under his hands every time I try to sleep. And I hate that part of me still wants you after all the shit you put me through. Guess love doesn't die all at once, it just bleeds slow. It just bleeds slow. Now he's between your thighs, and I see it every night. Every memory twisting like a knife. You took the safest place I knew and made it feel violent. Now every touch feels counterfeit, every promise sounds like silence. You knew exactly where to hurt me most, and God, you did it without shame. Now every time I close my eyes, I hear you saying his name. Funny thing about betrayal, it don't fade with time, it just finds new ways.